Welcome to DelphStack. Today, I will show you how to fix the VAN9001 error in Valorant on Windows 11. First, let's check your current system settings. This step is optional, but it helps you know if your PC is ready. Press the Windows key and R at the same time. Type msinfo32 and press Enter. This will open the system information window. Here, look for BIOS mode. It should say UEFI. Also, check Secure Boot state. It should say On. Next, we need to check your TPM, which is a security chip on your motherboard. Press Windows key plus R again. This time, type tpm.msc and press Enter. A window will open showing your TPM status. Make sure TPM is ready for use and the version is 2.0. Once you have checked these settings, you need to restart your PC and enter the BIOS. You can do this by pressing the BIOS key when your PC starts. In the BIOS, navigate to the Security, Boot, or Trusted Computing tab. It depends on your motherboard. Look for Secure Boot and make sure it is enabled. Sometimes you need to turn off CSM or Legacy mode first. Next, find the option for TPM or a security device. It may also be called PTT or FTPM. It depends on whether you are using an AMD or Intel motherboard. Make sure it is enabled. After making these changes, save them and exit the BIOS. Your PC will restart. Once it starts again, your system should be ready, and the VAN9001 error in Valorant should be fixed. Thanks for watching.